How to turn off ads on Facebook. In this video, I will show you step by step on how to turn off Facebook ads. First of all, after you open your Facebook, tap on this menu at the top right side. Scroll to down and tap on this settings and privacy, and tap on this settings. Under this settings, tap on this search icon at the top right side, this search icon, and type ADS. As you can see, ADS as you can see in the screen, ADS. After you search for ADS, now tap on this first option which says Add Preferences. Now as you can see now, Facebook it says advertisers you have seen most recent. So here are the list of advertisers that Facebook used to send you on your Facebook account most recent. So you can see the list of the advertisers on your Facebook account. Your own may be more than this. So all you have to do now, tap on this section to disable them. Tap on this hide to hide them. So I'll now go ahead and hide them all. So after you hide all these advertisers, so all you have to do now, tap on this ad settings, scroll to down and tap on this category used to reach you. Under this category used to reach you, as you can see now, every Facebook account, all these ads are turned on his account. The first one it says employer, the second one it says job title, the third one it says education, and the fourth one it says relationship status. So all you have to do now, go and turn off all this section. As you can see, just tap on this section to turn it off. So now I disable all this kind of ads. Now scroll all the way to down again and tap on these categories, other categories. Under these other categories, tap on this see all categories. So as you can see now, all these are type of ads that Facebook used to send you on your Facebook account. So in order for you to remove all these ads, all you have to do now, tap on this remove button beside the ads. As you can see now, if I tap on this remove, now it turn off the ads on my Facebook account. So as you can see now, you can go ahead now and follow the step to turn off all, to remove all these ads. So if you remove all these ads, now you disable all the ads on your Facebook account. That's it guys on how to turn off ads on Facebook. Hope this video helps you out. Don't forget to like and subscribe. If you have any question, please let me know in the comment section below. Thank you for watching guys. We'll meet in the next video.